my Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature. And yes, it's that time. It's Ipsy time. This is our Ipsy reveal for the month of September. So I want to first of all thank you guys for taking the time for watching me open or do the unboxing of my Ipsy Glam bag. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another great video from Girl You Foxy. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. So, Ipsy is a monthly subscription that is about $12 or $13 per month, and you receive 5 trial size items of makeup and beauty supply products. And they're sample sizes, so they're not full size like some of the previous prescription boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and see what the theme is this month. Hopefully we have a theme card. Actually, now, the theme this month for our Ipsy bag is work, school, and life. Perfect timing for going back to school. So this is probably a common subscription box for maybe some college individuals, college girls, and you want to have something that comes every month to kind of give you something to look forward to, especially when they're up there alone sometimes. You might want to, this is a perfect little subscription box. I just really didn't think about that. But in the little card, it just gives you a detailed description of the items that you receive in the Ipsy Glam bag. And the bag itself, this is what it looks like. So each month you get a cute little makeup bag, and it has a nice little leather-like lapel part that goes over, and it snaps, and it has a yellow inside, and it has a nice little fabric plaid for the month of September. So this is perfect for like school. Perfect little bag. And the first item in there, this actually wasn't in the bag, but they put it on the side. And I'm going to put on my glasses so we can see what this is. This is a Bambi Pore Honey Mask Pack. This is a face mask pack. And it looks like they give you 2 of them. 2 facial mask packs. One is a honey mask and one is a trying to see if they're different fragrances or different styles. Right for skin, right for skin. They don't say what the different colors are. They're written in Chinese or Japanese. I'm not sure what it is, but those are the face masks that you receive. And I'm going to look this up. It's called Papa Recipe Bambi Pore Ampoule Honey and Bambi Mask Duo. The sheet mask duo has got all your skincare needs covered. It's made with skin-loving ingredients to help hydrate skin and soothe irritation and to help tighten your pores for a smooth complexion. Okay, so that is our first item that's in our Ipsy Glam bag. So you get 2 masks. And the next item is Carry On 2. Now, Carry On 2, and it's from Ibby Beauty. And what it is a Carry On eyeshadow duo in Glamping and First Class. So it's an eyeshadow duo. So you get 2 shades, looks like, in here. So we're going to go ahead and open this up to see what these shades look like for the eyeshadow duo. And it comes in a beige little compartment. I'm going to open that up. And this is the shade. It's a gold and like a brown color for eyeshadow colors. For baby. Okay, so that's our second item. Our third item, something in some bubble wrap. Let's see what it is. It is from Shades by Shan. San Francisco, California. And this looks like a highlighter. Shades by Shan highlighter single in Marjorie. It's a highlighter. Perfect for, like I say, traveling. Throw it in your bag or in your purse and you got you some highlights to brighten up your skin. If you want to do a little touch up, there you have it. So you have your highlighter. And another item we received, it's called Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. It is a volumizing hemp mascara. Fell asleep in your mascara with this conditioning formula. It's NBD. Think of it as part mascara, part lash treatment. It gives your lashes instant volume and length and helps moisturize and strengthen them with a blend of avocado, bobabe, and plant oils. Wiggle the wand through your lashes from roots to the tips. So it is a mascara. But it actually has some ingredients in it that's good for your lashes. So looking at that brush. Brush is key when it comes to putting on your mascara. So we're going to do a try with that. I'll probably do a review on this particular mascara. It's from Tarte Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. Okay. And the last and final item is from Arceli Beauty Bella Sponge. So you get this cute little makeup sponge. I'm going to open that up because I want to see the consistency of the sponge. I kind of like really, really soft sponges. And here's the sponge. It's okay. I've had a little softer, but this looks like it'll do perfectly well. Nice little beauty sponge that you can use for applying your foundation or moisturizer or whatever you want to just kind of dab into your skin to use your makeup blenders. Foundation, concealer, whatever it is you want to absorb or dab into your skin. Okay, so there you have it. So there you have it. We have our 5 full-size, 5 sample-size items. You get your blender. We've got a highlighter, actually an eyeshadow duo, a highlighter, and a mascara, and our beauty masks. So there you have it. And don't forget our cute little baggie that it goes in. Okay. Thank you guys for taking the time for watching to see what I received in this month's Ipsy Glam bag. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.